Welcome to 5725 Cardinal Guard Avenue. Let's take a quick look at the neighborhood. It's now about 5 p.m. in the week, and you can see it's very nice and quiet in this area. Let's take a look inside. Once you walk inside, you enter your living area. This is the front door. It's a living area. Here's your dining area over here. A nice window and view to the backyard. Here's a reverse view. Here's your kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Here is your bathroom. Vanity. Well, the beautiful whole bathroom here. On the left side is one bedroom. And as you can see, the color of the floors and walls are all neutral. Here's another bedroom. Let's walk inside. Here's a view to the front. You can see the bedrooms have ceiling fans. Most areas have ceiling fans. And here we go into your third bedroom. This will be the master bedroom. And the master bedroom has its own bathroom. Beautiful color scheme here. Here's your vanity. Again, master bedroom. Let's take a look outside. Here's a close-up look at the floor tiles so you can see what the color scheme is like. There's no carpet in this house. And then here's your backyard. Come back in. And again, that's it. Here's the living room, kitchen where we started. This is 5725 Cardinal Guard Avenue.